Hello David, it's Rob here at Boss Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Tesla Model S. It's a P85, which is a performance model. It's very unique color actually. It's a dark green on light tan leather. It's a leather and suede, and the ceiling is suede as well. It's super clean vehicle. In and out. I drove this car, it drives just perfect. Has a huge sunroof, which you can open from the menu as well. That's how it goes. It does have 101,000 kilometers right now, and there is still factory warranty left on it. Right now it shows 270 kilometers. It's about 400 kilometers when it's fully charged. It has a heated seats, climate control, and lots of nice options on it. The paint on the vehicle is perfect. It does have the protection film on the hood. It comes with 19-inch alloy rims, has an air suspension, as the performance model should come with. Has a power lift gate. I'm trying to, oh, there we go. That's the charging cable, trunk cover. That's pretty much everything. It has this nice carbon spoiler as well. If you have any questions regarding this model vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can come and take a look. The vehicle is here, it's available, it's parked in the showroom, and ready to go. Thank you.